In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use search in Outlook to find emails fast. Let's get you from hunting to finding in just a few clicks. Start by clicking the search box at the top of the Outlook window. The moment you place your cursor there, Outlook wakes up its search tools and often shows suggested searches based on your history. This is a great way to jump back into recent queries without retyping them. Begin typing keywords that describe what you're looking for, things like a sender's name, a subject phrase, or a memorable term from the message. Outlook performs instant, prefix matching as you type, which means it starts matching from the beginning of words in emails and even within attachments, so partial beginnings can surface results quickly. The more specific your terms, the sharper your results. For example, add the operator from, followed by the sender's name to limit results to that person. Small refinements like this save a lot of time when your inbox is busy. To narrow things further, click the filter button or look for the search tools tab that appears when the box is active. Here, you can refine by from, to, subject, date, or whether the email has attachments. You can also focus on items that are flagged, unread, or grouped into categories. Each option you apply trims the results dynamically so you can zero in on the exact message. Pay attention to the scope drop-down as well. Switching between current folder, mailbox, or all mailboxes controls how wide Outlook looks. If you know the message lives in one folder, choose current folder for a faster, cleaner list. If you're unsure, expand to all mailboxes. When you need precision, open Advanced Find by pressing Ctrl-Shift-F or selecting it from the search tools. This dialog lets you stack multiple conditions at once: body text, attachment presence, date ranges, and more, so you can define a detailed set of criteria and get only what matches. If you run the same searches frequently, save time with search folders. Go to Folder, then New Search Folder, and pick a template that reflects what you repeatedly need. These act like smart views that update automatically, so the results are always current without running the search again. Finally, if you notice missing or incomplete results, rebuild the index. Go to File, Options, Search, and start a rebuild. This refreshes the search catalog so Outlook can surface items reliably. It may take a while to complete, but it's worth it for consistent, accurate results. Use these techniques together and you'll find emails fast, every time. Thanks for watching.